In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find starred emails in Gmail. If you've ever flagged a message so you can get back to it later, but then spent too long hunting it down, this is for you. I'll show you 2 quick ways to pull up every starred email on the web, explain what the star actually does, and share a handy search tip for specific star styles. First, the most visual method. Open Gmail in your web browser. On the left side, you'll see your list of labels. Look for the one called Starred and click it. Instantly, Gmail gathers all the messages you've marked with a star into one place. This view isn't a separate folder. It's simply a filtered list based on that star tag. Anything you've starred, whether it's in the inbox, archived, or part of a conversation, will appear here. It's quick, easy, and perfect when you prefer browsing over typing. Now, the fast search method. At the top of Gmail, click the search bar and type "is starred." Then press Enter. That single operator tells Gmail to show only emails that have a star. If you like efficiency, you might find this even faster than using the sidebar, especially if you live in the search box already. You can also combine it with other terms, like a sender or keyword, without changing the basic idea. But the core is simple. Is starred brings your flagged messages into view. Let's talk about what starring actually does. A star is a visual tag that highlights an email as important or worth revisiting. It doesn't move the message out of your inbox or into a new folder. Think of it as a bright sticker you can see later when you open the starred section or run the starred search. Remove the star, and it disappears from that view. Add the star, and it appears again. It's flexible and reversible, which makes it perfect for follow-ups and reminders. Here's a bonus tip if you like more nuanced organization. Gmail supports multiple star styles such as yellow stars, blue stars, and even special icons like a red bang. If you've enabled more than one style in your settings, you can search for a specific type. For example, has orange star shows all emails with the orange star. Similarly, has yellow star or has red bang targets those exact markers. These operators aren't case sensitive, and there are no spaces. Just a clean, precise way to filter. That's it. Click Starred in the sidebar. Use is starred in the search bar, and, if you use multiple styles, filter with has color star. Now your important messages are always just a click or a quick search away.